Introducing NG-AutoPol, automatic longitudinal polisher system for tensile specimens, engineered to minimize grinding stress and residual surface stress following turning, milling, or initial grinding operations. Install the LED status indicator. Connect the power cord. Turn on the main power switch. Adjust the touchscreen position. Use the emergency stop key to release the safety circuit. Start the system by pressing the green button. The machine initializes within seconds. Begin by selecting the homing function on the touchscreen. The machine aligns to the reference position. The operator can program a new sequence or select a stored demo routine. Press Polishing. Confirm the start of the operation. The polishing cycle is monitored in real time. Operating sequence. Prepare the specimen. Mount the first side, ensuring it contacts the base notch. Tighten gradually using a torque tool, approximately 12 Newton meters. Secure the opposite side. Access, enter new settings from the process menu. Select specimen type, axisymmetric or flat, and the appropriate size. Choose the specimen profile. The display will visualize the selected option. Enter all required dimensional parameters. Proceed to Step 1 Settings. Use coarse abrasive, e.g. P320 or P400. Set feed rate, longitudinal motion speed. Set rotation, angular increment per pass. Set polishing cycles, total passes. Set downforce, contact pressure between abrasive and specimen. Set belt speed, continuous abrasive movement. Repeat configuration for Step 2, medium grit, e.g. P600. Repeat for Step 3, fine grit, e.g. P1000 to P1200. And Step 4, ultrafine grit, e.g. P2000. Proceed to cleaning step after each polishing stage. Recommended downforce, maximum, 5N. Recommended polishing cycles, 12 to 20. Recommended rotation, 20 to 30 degrees. Save the process by selecting Save. Load the saved program. Press Polishing. Confirm the process start. Small cylindrical specimen mounting. Locate the small cylindrical specimen jaw chuck in the tool case. Manually thread it onto the shaft. Tighten using a torque tool, approximately 12 Newton meters. Repeat for the opposite side. Position the specimen against the base notch. Tighten carefully. Secure the opposite side. Note: select small size in the process settings for this configuration. Flat specimen mounting. Remove the previous jaw chuck. Locate the flat specimen jaw chuck in the tool case. Use the gauge tool for angular alignment. Thread it onto the shaft. Tighten to approximately 12 Newton meters. Repeat for the other side. Mount the specimen, ensuring contact with the base notch. Tighten carefully. Secure the opposite side. Adjust the angle. Ensure perpendicularity. Use the gauge to match the angle precisely. Standard and large cylindrical mounting. The standard chuck is also suitable for large cylindrical specimens. Thread onto the shaft. Tighten to approximately 12 Newton meters. Repeat for the other side. Mount the specimen against the base notch. Tighten carefully. Secure the opposite side. Select standard or large in the specimen settings. Sandpaper replacement and module adjustment. Release brake and open the lever. Remove the locking pin. Insert sandpaper disc. Reinsert the blocking pin. Guide and fasten sandpaper using side Velcro temporarily. Repeat for all 4 straps. Lock pulling module lever. Lock braking module lever. Adjust spring tension using standard tool. Turn nuts to set correct pressure. Check tension manually. Sandpaper should be firm. Repeat adjustment on the pulling side. Run a demo cycle to verify function. Lubrication. Disconnect power. Confirm twice. Press the off and emergency stop buttons. Use 2 brushes. Clean X-axis rails and ball screw. Apply grease with a fresh brush. Distribute evenly on rails and screw. Move X-axis manually using clutch. Repeat for opposite side. Repeat for Z-axis. Move Z-axis manually. Repeat for other side. Lubricate Z horizontal rail. Remove Z cover. Move Y-axis manually. Clean and lubricate Y-axis rails and screw. Reinstall Z-axis cover. Limit switch replacement. Disconnect power. Confirm twice. Cut wires of defective switch. Remove the old switch. Connect new switch using 3M Scotchlock UY2 connectors. Connect red to red, black to black. Secure with screw. Fasten loose cables. Run a demo to verify operation. Force calibration. Install certified measurement unit in calibration position. Access service menu via logo. Open calibration menu. Machine runs homing procedure. Check 10N. Adjust if out of tolerance. Proceed to 25N. Then check 40N. Return to main menu. Press Home after calibration. Remove the measurement unit.